when you want to create a certain type of form or image in the computer, you need to be able to describe all the steps that go into making that image. And to do that, you create what is called an algorithm. And an algorithm is just like a recipe. You know, like if you're cooking a specific dinner, you need to have the recipe and the order in which you cook things, etc. It's the same thing in the computer. You need to say, okay, this form is created by having a particle that moves around, and the particle is controlled by rotation, and maybe sometimes it divides and becomes two particles. So that's an algorithm that's actually describing the entire behavior of the system. And so the algorithm is actually very much describes your creative idea.
Whenever you define a system in software, it's a limitless field that you can explore. And by changing different parameters, the value of different parts of the system, you move to different parts in that infinite landscape.
It's very clearly about manipulating algorithms and choosing parameters and figuring out how can I actually tease the beauty out of the system when, you know, the raw data in itself isn't very meaningful. So the potential is there in computational creativity to have processes that are very much non-human, and I think we often do see that, but we found sort of a middle ground, joining the non-human, you know, computer, strange, emergent processes, etc., with a human way of thinking about the world. And somewhere there's a very fruitful area.